think in 8 years I've rescued about 1,900 cats. Last year alone, 454. I'm self-funded, so I do rely on public support, and the deficit is obviously covered by myself. All the cats are neutered, vaccinated, microchipped, flea-wormed, health checked. 5 weeks free insurance, but we do rely on people's donations of food and even £1 a month. You know, we're not asking for a lot.
Yeah.
£1 a month collectively makes a massive difference to me. And at the end of the day, the money is all for the cats. That's all it's for. That's the only reason we're here. But we're going to be here hopefully for as long as I'm around, and rescuing poor cats like Peggy, who was just thrown out by her owner because she had diarrhoea and they just didn't want her anymore.